I'm a culinary alumni at Cypress College. I went through the hospitality program with Chef Jeremy, Chef Amanda and Lisa, and it really set up my career that now I own a restaurant in Long Beach called Bar Becky. And before that, I was lucky enough to be on Hell's Kitchen and kind of showcase my talents on TV. And it's been a crazy ride, and it all started here, and it's been amazing. Actually, in high school, I won a Knife Skills competition that was hosted by Cypress College at the time, and I was a young kid, kind of didn't really know what my path was going to be, and all my friends were signing up for college, and just kind of fell in love with like what was going on there and the campus. And from high school, I just went directly into the culinary program at Cypress, and it really set me up for when I entered the industry that, like, straight out of culinary school, you kind of have that stigmatism. You're a student, right? They don't know much, but like really the chefs here made a huge impact on my career, because I walked out of here ready to kind of help out with these bigger projects that a lot of students were intimidated by. I've always been a huge super fan of Hell's Kitchen. I've watched every episode. Gordon Ramsay's like one of the legit chefs on TV that feels like he has some integrity behind him. So when they reached out to me, I kind of had nothing to lose and the world to gain, and it's just like a platform and what you do with it. And it was wild the way they reached out, and it just led to another conversation and another producer, and that it actually, like, when I was standing there, it felt surreal, and even standing here now talking about it feels surreal. It's like, it's pretty crazy. It's a wild ride, and I'm so happy I did it, and it's changed everything. I'm super proud of this program and the school and what it's doing, and I can't stress enough how underrated it is, and just how special the chefs and the teachers are, and what you can take away from this. It's just endless, and if I was told as a little culinary student in my checkerboard pants and my white cap that I would own a restaurant later and be here doing an interview, I wouldn't believe it. So I think just trust the process and enjoy the journey, and make the most of it. When Cypress, we take this journey together.